What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. In this section I won't show you any travel or any adventure. Actually I will ask you to help me in my computer deal. So stay tuned on this video, and please, if you know the answer, just write a comment down below and help me. Thank you. I'm stuck here with this program on my computer. I still don't know what is going on. I have a Mac. It's just to show you. It's a Mac 15 inches 2017, the very last version of Macintosh or Mac OS Mojave, and I don't know what is going on. I don't know really what happened that showed this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly show you what happened. So this is a raw file, right? Is on my hard drive, but doesn't really matter because I've been doing it on a computer. Is really the same. So I have a EOS 70D camera, and you can put like a special filter on the camera, you know, like the color filter that basically show you a preview of the photo with maybe an increased contrast or increased you know, brightness or whatever you wanted. You can just increase it a little bit. So basically sometime I put that to see how the photo is gonna be once I process the photo in post-production. Okay, so what I'm asking myself is that the problem? Because the raw file, as you see here, are really sharp. Okay, so this raw file is really sharp. It seems like a nice, with a nice color, so it's not really typical of a raw. But if I go on another one, same. When you use the arrows to scroll down, okay, so look, and you go kind of oversaturating the RAM of the computer. All right, let's see this. You can see the color change. Let's see. Right now, can you see the squares? All right, so have you seen that? Okay, so it seems like it doesn't do it in every photo, but in a lot of them it does. Like here, now it did it here again. So I mean, I don't know what is causing that. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Look, again. So there's like this squares, alright, that goes on, and it seems like that they're taking away the filter that the camera put on. So I tried to go and see the information of this photo. And so I mean, it's just telling you the whole information because it's a raw file. I just shoot some random photos, okay, on my kitchen, and I cannot see, even if I go fast, I cannot see the change of color. Alright? Because I took off the filter that my camera was putting on. I put neutral, and so there's no change of colors. There's nothing. It's just dry, raw. So I was just shooting stupid photos. Don't worry about the quality of the photo that really moved. I was trying to see if the camera was like, you know, applying that filter. So I don't know. I think that change is more likely caused from the camera that gives this little filter to the photos, and the computer see the filter, but at the same time says, oh, this is a raw file, so it turns it raw, and so without any filter. My question is, if somebody knows about this and why this happened, please comment below and let me know, because I'm struggling. I asked Apple service. I've been in contact with them for probably 4 or 5 times, and 1 hour of phone. We try everything. We just scope the computer to try to see if the memory was saturated or if there is any problem on the computer, and we couldn't find anything wrong on this computer. So I want to just try one thing before. So even if I go fast, you see I took the filter off, so there's no filter. So I think it's a problem on my camera that just give a little more information about colors, and then the computer doesn't know really what to show before and after, I guess, because here there's no any change of color. Sorry about the noise, it's my wash machine. So what I want to try to do is this. Sometimes I was thinking about maybe is Lightroom that is applying, because all the photos I was looking, they were already being processed in Lightroom. So I wonder if Lightroom is for some reason getting a putting a filter on these photos. I don't know. So you see this turning filter that it turns like in raw, from dry to raw. So yeah, okay, let's do this. So now we're like, basically the computer is turning the colors. Okay, so this is raw, actually is as shot. Okay, so the white balance is as shot. So in every photo, it turns a little bit of colors to raw colors. Alright, you see the difference? So let's go back to this now. Let's see if this is changed. So before it was not showing any info, and now bam, it's showing the infos now. So I wonder if it's Lightroom that like apply kind of filter to these photos that then makes a problem. No, there's no change in the color. There's no change. So there's no change at all, so I don't know. I don't really know how, I mean, why this thing changed colors. Look, again, you know, I don't really know. Anyway, guys, if you have any information, any answer, anything that can help me, please just write me down a comment or put your email. We can chat by email. I'll leave my email here. Yeah, let's have a chat about this. If you know what is going on here, you can help me. Thank you very much. To the next video. Bye bye. Take care.